Initiating system. System 1 loaded.
Here we are with all the supplements, the current supplements right now, all 8 of them. We have the Shield, which is the immunity booster. We have a multivitamin called Level Up. We have in-game energy, which is basically the energy formula, the same energy formula in the drinks. It's just in capsule form. There's not many other drinks that have that, by the way. The Sleep Aid, which is Res. We have AI, which is the nootropic for alertness, awareness, focus, memory. The Respawn, the CBD gummies for a little bit of relaxing. Not a sleep aid, this is a sleep aid, but this is for, kind of, relaxing after the heavy session. And God Mode, which is the natural testosterone booster. And then last but not least, the Blue Scope, which is for eye health. Of all these right now, the current supplements, I can't say which one is my #1 pick, but I'm gonna have to say I have a top 2 that I use every day, and that would be these 2. That would be the Shield Immune Booster and the Blue Scope for eye health. I use these every day. Then on top of that, at least 5 days out of the week, whenever I stream, I use the Glytch AI. I take a couple of these 30 minutes before I start my stream. It definitely helps with, awareness, trying to be alert, memory, all those things. I can definitely tell a difference. Whenever I'm using this, versus when I'm not using it, I can definitely tell a difference. And these are my top 3. I would have to say, top 3. They're all 8 are winners, but these 3 are, top 3 for me. I have to say, I've been using both of these products for months now. I think I've been using Blue Scope for maybe almost a year. And ever since I've been using it, I have not had the situations, the issues with my eyes that I used to. I used to have like watery eyes all the time. I used to have to keep a handkerchief or a towel on my desk or in my pocket because my eyes would water so much. It was, because of like allergies and stuff like that. If I have an allergic reaction to something like dust or whatever, or something will irritate my eyes, like I have the worst time with my eyelashes getting in my eyes. Hey, if you have that problem, please, like the video. But anyway, just little things like that, things may get in your eyes and they're gonna irritate your eyes, and Blue Scope can't really help with that. But I'm just talking about, the normal, health of your eyes, the anti-inflammatory that's in here helps your eyes to feel better, to feel healthier. I'm not gonna say it's gonna get rid of, wrinkles or anything like that, but it will definitely make your eyes feel healthier. That was a no-brainer for me, but I tried it for a couple of months and then I really noticed that my eyes they completely stopped watering. I didn't have, the dry eyes. I didn't have the watery eyes anymore. It just completely stopped. From personal experience, the Blue Scope has definitely been a winner in my book. Immune Booster, I was gonna pick AI as #2, but after all the things that have been going on lately with these different diseases, these different sicknesses that have been going around, I have been using this for months, since the summer, and ever since then, I may have had issues with my, with allergies. That's one thing, but as far as getting sick, everything has been good. That I can say. This supplement right here alone probably sets Glytch Energy apart from all the other, energy companies that we know of. Other than that, this whole entire line of supplements itself sets Glytch Energy apart from all the other energy companies that we know of. Let me know in the comments what you think. What are your top You know, what's your top supplement? If you have a number one or top two or top three, maybe you have a top five. I probably have a top five. Actually, I probably have a top 8 if I'm going to be honest with you. All these supplements are, you know, awesome. But let me know what you think. Do you like the supplements? Have you tried the supplements? If you've never tried, let me know below. GlytchEnergy.com. Make sure you use code BRMG at checkout. Save 25%. Whenever you use my code, it does help me out. So definitely use that. And you also get to save 25% as well. That's going to do it for this video. I hope it helps someone. If it did, leave a like. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs up button just twice. You know, I'd appreciate it. We're gonna see you in the next video. I'm out. Later.